wiggle our fur? How can we wiggle our fur like this? I don't like wiggling this way. I don't like. Really? I don't know what I'm gonna say. Either, well, Miss, can we go to somewhere? Sorry, they dig up the forest because the dinosaur can find you easily. So, put some ants so he can eat some ants. Can I tell you something? Yes, miss. Can you move, please, a little bit? Biscuit? Yes, miss. What's wrong? If you go to the woods and trees, they can find you more and more easily because they're the highest in the time. Then the dinosaur will be confused and he will be stuck on the trees and the leaves.